Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to activate your Vanilla gift card and check your balance. Whether you've just received your card or need to check your current balance, we've got you covered. Follow these easy instructions to get started. Step 1. Visit the official Vanilla Gift website. To begin, open your web browser and go to balance.vanillagift.com. This is the official website where you can activate your card and check your balance. Step 2. Enter your card information. Once you're on the website, you'll be asked to enter the card information. Here's what you'll need. Card number, located on the front of your Vanilla gift card. CVV, a 3-digit number located on the back of your card. Expiration date, also found on the front of the card. Step 3. Activate your card. After entering the required information, follow the prompts to activate your Vanilla gift card. You may need to verify some details, such as confirming your email address or providing personal information for security purposes. Step 4. Check your balance. Once your card is activated, you can easily check your balance by following these steps. Go to the same website, balance.vanillagift.com. Enter the card number, CVV, and expiration date again. After logging in, your current balance will be displayed on the screen. Step 5. Using your Vanilla gift card. Once activated and your balance is confirmed, you're ready to start using your card for online or in-store purchases. You can also reload your card if it's eligible for reloading, depending on the type of Vanilla gift card you have. Step 6. Additional features. On the Vanilla gift card website, you may also have options to view recent transactions to track your spending, report your card if it's lost or stolen, update your personal information if needed. Pro tip: always keep track of your balance, as Vanilla gift cards are typically non-reloadable unless specified. This helps avoid any inconvenience when making purchases. We hope this guide helped you activate and manage your Vanilla gift card. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.